Good evening. I'm sure every one of us is excited. I mean, this is it. This is the moment, the day we've been waiting for. It's our 3rd anniversary. Yup, 3 years na tayo mga ka-GEF. Ang buhay nga naman ay parang car racing. I mean, everything seems to go really fast. Ang bilis. Come to think of it, parang kailan lang under pa tayo ng UBCM. Lumipat, naka-1, 2, at ngayon 3. The best thing is we have God. He is always there. His presence gives us joy, comfort, security, and guidance. Even though sometimes we almost get out of the track and not worthy, nananatili siyang tapat sa church na ito at sa buhay ng bawat isa sa amin. We can face any fear when we know that the Lord is near. Alam rin nga ng mga taong pupuntahan natin ngayon. Naging part din sila ng church na ito at nakita rin nila kung paano nanatiling tapat si Lord through the years. Ano? Sasama ba kayo? Tara! Sama kayo!
Ay, salamat! Busog na! So, syempre, bago dapat lumakad, busog muna tayo, di ba? Pero teka, interviewin mo na kaya natin si Jollibee. Alam nyo, kailan lang dumating si Jollibee pero suki ng mga GEF members. So, naroon naman natin siya. Jollibee, ano bang masasabi mo sa GEF? Nangayan, mamaya na lang. Tara! Maghanap tayo ng mga taong may masasabi or gustong bumate sa GEF. Tara! Sino yun?
Ako pa, nangingiinta ako eh.
Bastos! Ang bastos mo! Nakakahiya oh! Nakuha na ka pa ng video.
Uy, ano ba yan?
Okay, so, mga kaibigan, si Boyet ay minsan na rin naging miyembro ng ating GEF Church. So, tanongin naman natin kung may masasabi siya tungkol sa ating church. Lalo na ngayon, alam mo ba kung anong meron sa church na to?
Yes ko lang.
Mag-isip ka naman!
Hindi nga, sabihin mo na kasi ano ba?
3rd anniversary na kaya ng church
3rd
namin.
year?
Oo, 3rd. Okay, so, may masasabi ka ba bilang miyembro dito?
Masaya. Masarap makisama yung mga ka-church natin dito. Tapos, marami kang matututunan sa kanila. Iba-iba itong mga masasabi ko, happy 3rd anniversary sa atin. Sana tumawag pa kami yung birthday dito. Masaya ako dahil isa akong kasama dito kasama.
So yun lang po ang kanyang masasabi. Iba naman. Okay guys, andito na tayo. Kung napansin nyo, galing pa ako sa kotse ko. Well, traffic kasi. Kaya medyo inatraso na kami. 5:30 na. Pero okay pa rin. Pupuntahan namin ngayon. Walang iba. Si Pastor Herwin. O, kilala bilang Kuya Herwin. So tara na. Nasa BSOP tayo ngayon. Tanong ko lang, ano nga ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng BSOP? Ito ba ay Bible? Sobrang okay pare? Hindi ko alam. Alamin natin yan. Tara! BSOP tayo ngayon, mga ka-Chinese nato, kaya kailangan natin mag-Chinese. Kung Hei Fa Choi, Gu ID, tara na! May bigayan yata ng bigas. Nasaan si Kuya Herwin? Naku, di natin makita. Tara, waits kaya muna tayo. Tara. Piniksa namin siya pero wala pa rin eh. Wait na lang tayo ah. Oh! Jerry! Ano pala? Mukhang nakapang-jig tayo ah.
Hindi, kailangan talaga ito.
Talaga mag-ganon?
Dapat nakabangon. Nakaforma ka eh.
Maganda pala talaga dito sa BSOP. Matanong ko lang, yung BSOP ba, ang ibig sabihin ba ng BSOP ay sobrang okay pa?
Kaya parang B dapat yung gusto.
Okay,
BSOP. Hindi ko rin alam eh.
Hindi ko alam.
Nagot ako.
Okay, alam mo ba, malapit na ang aming anniversary. 3 years na kami. So, ano ba masabi mo? Baka gusto mo lang bumate kahit pa paano? Ganun lang daw.
Happy third year anniversary, and may the Lord continue to bless each one of you. May each one of you continue to find His unity, especially inside the church. And may the church, church continue to find the Lord, continue to find the calling of the Lord, and continue to walk according to what the Lord wants you to do. Yolan, kaya ba yan?
Teka, batiin mo na rin kaya siya. Birthday mo yung Kuya Olan. Sa 7.
April 7? Birthday mo na? Wala ko.
Minsan, ako rin.
37 ba? 37 ba?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Dahil ko sa Roland? Hindi niya alam ni Ronel.
Magsi-senior na yun, mag-senior.
Basta late 30s. Wala pa, kasi pag-graduate namin 31. Hindi, 34, 35. 37 pinaka-late. Ay, 30. Pag 39 ka, nilibre mo ako kaya kasi pinabata kita. I make you younger, nilibre mo ako.
Okay, deal. So ayun, balik na ulit siya sa weights. So sobrang init talaga dito. Ngayon ako, grabe, ang ganda ng gym na to.
Ang bigat.
Punta kayo dito minsan, BSOP.
Yes, pumunta kayo, tutur ko kayo dito.
Mag-wear kayo ng barong or
Bata ka
saya.
barong din.
Pag sa babae, saya ang prescribe. Tayo kay, sa UECM ulit, kay Pastor Billy. So interview natin siya. Tara. Good afternoon po, sir. I'm Jasmine po, and we're from Grace Evangelical Church. And we just want to know what can you say about our church now that it is celebrating our 3rd year anniversary.
Okay. First, sabi niya, walang question answer. Okay. I'm so happy for your church. Okay. I understand that this is your 3rd anniversary. Okay. Meaning you have experienced 3 years of God's faithfulness and God's grace. Okay, I think I can say na I experienced or witnessed how this church grew, okay? From a handful of people, tapos nagkaroon kayo ng your own church, and then right now you are celebrating your 3rd year anniversary already. So I'm so happy, okay? And I would like to encourage all of you to continue to be steadfast in the Lord. Siyempre, alam natin, we know that the enemy is not happy, okay? And the enemy is always on the attack, okay? Pero on our hand, okay, we have a faithful God. Alam natin, God was and God will always be faithful to His church. So that means, okay, continue pa rin yung faithfulness, yung grace that you will experience maybe until 4th, 5th, 20th anniversary, okay? Wala na ako dito, okay? Pero at least the church will still continue, okay? Also, last but not the least, kay Pastor Olan, I have a message. I pray that you will be faithful to the task that the Lord has called you, okay? I'm not saying that you are not faithful, okay? You are. And I pray that you will continue to be faithful, okay? Do not be ashamed of the gospel. Preach the word in season and out of season. And to the leaders, the elders, the deacons, I pray that you will continue to support your pastor and make him happy. Because alam natin sa Timothy, sabi doon, that's the proper chain of command, okay? The commander-in-chief, okay, inform the pastor teaching to the elders, teachers, to the leaders, tapos to the members, okay? So, that's the proper chain of command. I pray that you will support your pastor, and together we try to please our Master and Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, so happy anniversary, 4th anniversary, 3rd anniversary, tapos bye-bye. Okay.
Well, thank you po, sir. Ingat po. God bless you po sa inyo.
Sige, okay.
Nosebleed. Nakakaba, parang nagseryoso pagdating doon, di ba? Pero, okay, astig. Tara!